So today we'll learn about the insertion sort. So it is a sorting algorithm that builds a sorting list one element at a time from the unsorted list by inserting the element at its correct position in the sorted list. Fine. So let's do with the help of an example. Now I have taken list of 6 elements. Fine. Now I am assuming that this list 15, it is an sorted list, and this list of 5 elements is an unsorted list, right? So since there is only a single element, so it is an sorted list, right? Now I take the first element from the unsorted list and find its correct position in the sorted list, right? So 12 should come before 15. What I will do is I will insert 12 before 15. That's why the name of the algorithm is insertion sort. Means we will take one element from the unsorted list and insert it at its final position in the sorted list, right? Now this is the sorted list, and after blue line with red color is the unsorted list, right? Now I'll take first element from the unsorted list, it's 14. Now I will insert it in the sorted list. Now 14 should come between 12 and 15, right? So 14 should be inserted over here, right? Now this is the sorted list, and unsorted list has 3 elements now. Now I will take the next element from the unsorted list and find its correct place in the sorted list. So 16, it should come after 15. So I will insert 16 after 15 by shifting 15 one cell to the one position towards the left side, right? So 16 will come after 15. Then next again I will take next element from the unsorted list, it's 11. So now find the correct position of 11. So correct position of 11 is should come before 12, right? So I will insert 11 before 12. Now there is only one element in an unsorted list, 13, right? Now we'll take 13 and find its correct position. So its correct position is it should come between 12 and 14. So 13 should be inserted over here, right? So it's an easy algorithm. We can remember from the name of an algorithm itself. Insertion means take an element from an unsorted list and insert it at its correct position in the sorted list, right?